Are you tired and exhausted and don't have the time to make a dinner? Don't you worry. I have a quick and simple recipe. 2 ingredients, guys. 2 ingredients. Hey, guys, welcome back. I'm Kay. And today, as I promised, guys, I'm going to be making a dinner or a snack, a lunch, whatever you want it to be. Right now, it's dark outside, so it's going to be dinner. But, guys, as I said, it's going to be a meal with 2 ingredients. That's right. You heard me. You heard me right. 2 ingredients. Fries, guys. I got a large bag of fries. We're not gonna eat all this, but this is one of the ingredients. Fries, and then this is the other ingredient, hot dogs. So today's meal, guys, is gonna take me back to my childhood. This is called salchipapa. This is an old Peruvian dish. It's a dish, it's a snack, whatever you want to call it. But this is very popular in South America and originated in Peru, in Lima, actually, the capital, in the 1950s. This is street food at its finest. Now you can find this pretty much anywhere in Latin America, Colombia, Ecuador, Bolivia. There's different variations of this meal, but this is it, guys. All you need is some fries and you need some hot dogs. So I'm gonna show you how to get this done now. So for this, guys, very simple. I'm gonna take some fries out, or chips, like we would say in England, and just put them on the air fryer. I mean, to be honest, I'll be very honest, guys. This is not really how you make it. Well, it is and it isn't. It isn't because you're supposed to get potatoes and peel them and chop them and fry them. That's exactly how we will make it in South America. But because I'm exhausted, I'm tired, had such a long day today. Look, my eyes are closed. I'm actually doing a video with my eyes closed. This is how tired I am. So we're gonna cheat our way today. We're gonna use frozen fries. That what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop them in the air fryer, guys. Very, very simple. Just gonna put them in the air fryer. You're gonna put if you cooking for 10 or for one, doesn't matter. Just put the amount that you need in the air fryer and just cook that for a few minutes. So I'm gonna make just one portion just so we can try this out together. And I'll be right back. Let me just pop this in the air fryer. So while the fries are cooking, we're gonna move on to the next ingredient, guys. This is not super hard. We're gonna take some hot dogs, and in this case, oh, what's this line? Okay, so in this particular case, I actually have some bread. You can get any type of hot dog you like. I happen to like this one. I don't like meat. I don't like the other ones. I find them a bit salty. I think this ones are the best. But again, eat eat whatever you like. So in this case, I'm gonna use just a few of them. And then the secret to make a really good salchipapa, like the proper way, right? You want to cut the hot dog in an angle. So, and you want to kind of like do it in a very thin way, like this. Don't make it too thin. Sorry, don't make it too thick. That's what I meant to say. So just cut it thin. And I would say try to get at least 8 pieces per hot dog. So 2, 4, 6. Yeah, I got 9 actually. And yeah, and that's it. This is it, guys. I told you this was a very simple, quick meal. If you're exhausted and tired as I am today, I know it's only Wednesday, but I don't know, there was just so many things to do. And then we had Thanksgiving last weekend. How was your Thanksgiving, by the way, guys? Mine was good. Mine was really good, to be honest. It wasn't crazy because guess what? I do most of my prepping the day before, guys. I put some good music, a couple of gin and tonics, and I get everything done. The mashed potatoes, the stuffing, everything that goes along with the dinner. I try to prep everything the night before or the day before. And it's just work. So on Thanksgiving, I can actually hang out and enjoy myself, have a drink, and not just be running around cooking. And because I feel like it's also your evening, it's also your party, your event. You should be able to enjoy yourself. If you're just running around cooking and looking after people, like where's the fun in that? So I like to entertain. So I need to make sure that everything gets done the night before. So yeah, mine was easy. So anyway, so this is what your hot dog should look like. Something like this is very thin, as you can see, and it's always like on an angle. So traditionally, that's how we do it. And I already cut some. And basically what we're going to do now, we're just going to go ahead and on a frying pan, just slightly fry this. I mean, are they cooked? Are they raw? I don't know, but I always like to cook them a little bit more. And then obviously once the fries are done, we'll just put it together, guys. This is how simple this dish is. I'm not kidding. And one thing is that we're going to actually put some of the stuff, which is going to be like condiments. Some people like to put ketchup or mayonnaise, mustard, or ají. Ají is actually ají amarillo, which is like a yellow hot sauce. Hot sauce that in Peru we traditionally eat all the time. So yeah, guys, this is. Let me tell you something. This is something that I grew up eating. This is my childhood in a bowl. When I remember when I was little, and we used to go into this, not the supermarket, because we used to have like a local market that we used to go there. This is the stuff that people will eat at nighttime. So again, this can be made at any time. You can eat it for lunch, you can have it for dinner, and this is how quick and simple and easy it is. Okay, so now let's get to the stove. Now we're adding the hot dogs into the frying pan. And this is just about ready. Now that the fries and the hot dogs are cooked, we're going to put the fries or chips or papas fritas, as we call them in Spanish. You're going to pour your fries in here. Gonna move this to the sink. And then you're gonna take your hot dogs that have been nicely cooked. I put a little bit of what is it? I put a tea towel, not a tea towel, a nap. What's it called? Paper towel. Sorry, there you go. See, guys, I told you, I'm tired. I'm not kidding. I used paper towel before because they do have a little bit of grease, so you want to get rid of it of that. So there you go. Now we want to put them here. You put them on top. You put as much as you like. You could put some, and basically, this is kind of what it looks like. Here are your toppings. In Peru, we will have a variation of sauces or cremas, right? So this is your mayo. This is ají amarillo, which is a hot sauce. It's a hot sauce, yeah, but it's like a yellow pepper that it has been cooked with onions and garlic and a whole bunch of stuff. Guys, if you ever come across this, it's delicious. There's also another sauce that is really, really got nice. That a couple of friends have been asking me if I could actually do a video. It's called salsa verde, basically, and it's a hot sauce. It's ají verde. That's what it is, and it usually goes with rotisserie chicken. This is Peruvian food, guys, but I'm telling you, I'm gonna actually make a video because I know a lot of people do like that. But yeah, so this is the hot sauce, and this is ketchup. Now, if you're not into spicy stuff, you can use mustard. I don't have mustard. I actually ran out, so there you go. So yeah, so just put your whatever sauces you like, and traditionally, we will eat this with toothpicks, right? Whenever you go to the corner kiosk or the street vendor, whatever, they will put toothpicks. So it becomes a sharing platter. So you and your friends can actually, start eating it like that and stuff. So yeah, so this is basically how you eat it. You will go ahead and put whatever sauces you like. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of hot sauce because I like hot sauce. And I'm gonna taste this. I put a fork here just in case. Obviously, my daughter likes to eat it with a fork because she's not a big fan of the toothpicks, so she'll have a fork. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take like a mix of the hot dog with the fries and the hot sauce. Mm. Mm. Guys, I am telling you, this is delicious. Quick, easy, cheap. The whole thing cost me about, I said that between the hot dogs and that big giant bag, because I went to BJ's, so they didn't have, there was no smaller one, so I had to get the big one. But I tell you, that whole thing cost me about $25. Now, a dinner of four for $24, I mean, doesn't get any better. Anyway, guys, this is set for me. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, if you have any ideas and suggestions, just leave a comment on the comment section. And that's it. Guys, See you on the next video. Bye.